Hello my loves, it is me again, Lola.montanna, and if you want to know how to get long hair in less than 3 minutes, I'm about to show you, so keep on watching. This video is not sponsored. I bought this hair out of my own money. It came with all your wig essentials, a cap, edge brush, hair bands, but let's get into the info. This is a V-part wig, human hair, 22 inches in the color natural black, and it comes with an elastic band already sewn in and many clips inside. Preparing my leave out, I've sectioned it out in a V shape. I like a middle part. You can do a side if you want. For the rest of my hair, I've just braided it into 5 messy braids. It doesn't really matter how it looks as it'll be covered anyway, but I thought I'd show you how it all looks like underneath. Next, I'm grabbing my wig cap, which isn't necessary. I just don't like my wigs rubbing against my real hair, and I think it just keeps everything neat, flat, and tucked away nicely. Now it's time to put this baby on and flip that thing over. That's literally how simple this is. It's like clipping extensions, but faster and easier. I'm just clipping down the perimeter of the V. This is going to make sure this wig does not go anywhere. And I'm taking my leave out so we can begin styling it. Starting off with some heat protector, especially on your real hair. We're going to apply that, brush it through so it's evenly distributed, and part it right down the center. I use a Remington straightener, which I honestly love more than any other expensive straightener on the market. I put it on its lowest setting, which is 190 degrees, because I absolutely hate putting heat on my real hair. Also, make sure you're chasing the straightener with a comb. This makes it extra straight and allows me to not have to do so many passes with the straightener on my real hair, because again, we're trying to avoid heat damage. Once I'm done flat ironing the leave out, now I'm kind of just blending my hair and the wig's hair by straightening them together wherever I think it needs it. And voila! Look how seamless it all is. Clip-in wig wear. You could not tell me this is clip-ins. Next, I was feeling a little extra and said, let me do some baby hairs with the gummy wax, only to realize, child, I don't even know how to do baby hairs. I don't even like baby hairs, so I gave up on that. Lastly, just some hairspray to tame my flyaways at the top. I prefer spraying my hands rather than my actual head because then I have control with the product and it won't turn out crunchy. I just love how seamless this is. You cannot see which is my hair and which is the wig. I literally used to wear V-part wigs every day when I was around, I want to say 15 to 17 years old. And I don't know why I stopped, because Lord knows I hate lace wigs, and this is way more beginner friendly. It's faster and it's even cheaper too. I'm 5'4", so I'm kind of just showing you where this 22-inch wig comes up to on me. You can still do different styles with this hair behind the ear like I've done, or you can do the half up, half down, ponytails, side parts, braids, etc. If you want to see me style it in all different ways, feel free to leave a comment below and I'd be happy to make a video of the dozens of different ways you can style a V-part. If you stayed to the end of this video, thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Love you guys. Ciao.